Hi, I'm GPB meteorologist Christy Warlow, and I'm here at the National Weather Service in Peachtree City, Georgia to celebrate Winter Weather Awareness Week. So let's go inside, take a look around, and learn more about winter weather here in Georgia. Georgia experiences relatively mild winters compared to other states within the country. However, when winter storms blow in, the impact can hit the state hard. Fortunately, the skilled forecasters at the National Weather Service are always monitoring the atmospheric conditions, and they alert the public through watches, warnings, and other advisories when the weather takes a turn for the worse. Now, I'm speaking with my good friend Steve Nelson, who is the Science Operations Officer for the National Weather Service here in Peachtree City. So Steve, thank you so much for talking with me today.
You're welcome.
Well, Steve, what in the world is a winter storm?
Winter storm can have different definitions, but around here we usually think of that as snow, sleet, freezing rain, even freezing drizzle that causes a problem on roads, on different surfaces. It can cause a lot of problems in the state.
Now, what is a winter storm watch and what is a winter storm warning?
A winter storm watch would probably be 48 hours in advance, maybe 36 hours in advance, so about a day or two to give people a heads up, to let them know it's coming, start preparing, make sure your winter weather kit is ready to go. You have a plan in case you get stuck in your vehicle in a winter weather event. A warning is when it's pretty much happening. It's about to get ready to start. It's within a day, 24 hours or less. You should be moving, your plans to completion as quickly as possible.
Now, oftentimes Georgia experiences ice storms. What exactly is an ice storm?
An ice storm is when we have freezing rain. Freezing rain is actually rain that falls through the atmosphere, but when it falls near the ground, it becomes super cool. That is, it's below freezing. When the temperature near the ground is maybe 28 degrees, 29 degrees, or even cooler than that, you can still have rain that hasn't frozen yet, and when it falls to the ground, it solidifies, it becomes ice on impact. That causes a tremendous problem with the roads as well as the trees and power lines.
I know back in 1993 we experienced a blizzard down
Yes.
here in Georgia. What exactly is a blizzard?
A blizzard is really not necessarily heavy snow. It's the strong winds and a strong cyclone that causes the problem. In the Weather Service, we define that as 35-mile-per-hour gusts or stronger. If you have snow blowing at that speed through the air, it can reduce visibility pretty much to zero. You can't see anything at all. That's when we have blizzard conditions, and we have had that once in Georgia's history that we know of.
And it becomes a whiteout?
That's pretty much it.
A lot of times in the winter we get the mild winter storms, and so we get winter storm advisories. What constitutes a winter storm advisory?
Right, it's all the same. It's winter weather. It's just not quite as severe. We may get a little bit less snow. It may not affect all the roadways. It may just affect higher elevations. It's the same winter weather conditions. It's just a little bit less impact to the residents of Georgia.
Now, when would an advisory be upgraded to a warning?
If we think the storm is strengthened or we see reports from people, from the public, we'll increase our advisory to a warning.
Well, Steve, thank you so much for speaking with me today.
You're welcome.
And if you want to learn more about the weather advisories for your area, you can go to www.weather.gov, and you can also go to gpb.org. I'm meteorologist Christy Warlow for Georgia Public Broadcasting.